By the way, what is the opposite of shuh? Karam. And what is that? Generosity. Person who's generous. Person who's, even he's poor, but yet he's generous. The generosity of this person is in my mind, the person who is the reason behind so many people embraced Islam in Romania. This person, when his wife, not disbelievers, Christians, most likely, because most of the Romanians are Christians, or agnostic, whatever. So he goes to Turkey for his holiday. And he is in a village, and he wants to go to a special place, specific hotel. So he's got lost. So he finds a villager, person, normal person. And he points to him, you know what is this address? So he started speaking to him in a way that, yes, but now it's dark, too late. You should really come and have some dinner. This is what the Muslims, they do. They will not say to you, by the way, do you like to eat with us? Or maybe in the hotel or the restaurant better. We don't do that. This is shame. We will take the person in our place and give him the food. That's how the people, they get together. These days, the person doesn't want to show you even his address. Doesn't want to tell you his address. He doesn't want you to come to his house. Allah al-Musta'an. That's what's happening. Yarhamukallah. So this person, he invites him, and then he sees that he's got his mother, his wife, and he's got about a bunch of children. And then he give him food, supper, him and his wife, and then he says to him, you sleep here, we're going to sleep in the other room. And he said, it's dark, I can't see anything, except we went inside, so we slept there, and he left. And we thought that he left to the next room. That's what they thought. Following day, wake up, and because everything light. He can't see except for one room. He opens the door and the guy and his mother and his wife and his children sleeping underneath the tree outside. Even it's the summer, it's a bit coldish as well. They got the quilt and everything, and this has struck this person. So the first one he said, are you crazy? Well, the only person who can do it is crazy. He said, no, I'm not crazy. He said, I'm a Muslim. When he said these words, there was light on the face of that person. He said, this is described by the man who embraced Islam now. I saw a light in his face when he said, I'm a Muslim. So he said, what is the, how can you, what is the, can I, he said, I can't speak properly, but there is Quran. You buy it from shop. So he said, I bought it. Me and my wife, in 2 months, we read it. And we embraced Islam. How many Islamic centers were open now in Romania? Because of this person who had embraced Islam. And it's actually the whole reward as well will be, duplicate reward will be given to that villager who is illiterate. Unlettered, he can't read or write maybe that much. But because of the generosity. Generosity, ikhwani, wins the heart of the person.